Today I'm going to show you how to make your header transparent in Squarespace, step by step, so you can give your website that clean, modern, full bleed look. This is a great design trick for hero sections, landing pages, portfolios, and any page where you want the header to blend into the background instead of sitting in a solid block. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials. Let's jump in. First, log in to your Squarespace dashboard and open the website you want to edit. Once you're inside the main dashboard, look for the menu on the left side and go to Website, then click Pages. From there, select the page you want to work on. This matters because the transparent header effect can look different depending on the page layout and background image you're using. After you open the page, click the Edit button in the top left corner of the page preview window. That will launch the Squarespace editor and let you make design changes directly on the page. Now move your mouse cursor over the header area at the top of the page. When you hover over it, you should see an Edit Site Header button appear. Click that button to open the header settings. This is where Squarespace lets you customize the look and behavior of your site header. In the floating settings menu that appears, click on Design. Depending on your Squarespace version or site template, you may see the transparency option under Design or under a Style tab, so if you don't see it right away, check there as well. Next, look for the Effect option and choose Transparent. This tells Squarespace that you want the header to blend into the page instead of using a solid background color. After that, turn the Transparent toggle switch to On. This is the actual setting that applies the effect to your header. Once it's enabled, you should immediately see the header become clear or less visually heavy, which is exactly what we want for this style. If you want the header to look polished, make sure the background behind it has enough contrast so your logo and navigation links are still easy to read. For example, transparent headers usually look best over images, gradients, or clean section backgrounds. If your text becomes hard to see, you may need to adjust the page background or the header link colors for better visibility. When you're happy with how it looks, click anywhere outside the menu to close the settings panel. Then go to the top left corner and click Save, or click Done and then Save, depending on your Squarespace version. This publishes your layout changes and makes the transparent header live on your site. And that's it, your Squarespace header is now transparent. It's a simple change, but it can make a huge difference in how professional and modern your website feels. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more Squarespace tips, website design tutorials, and beginner-friendly how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.